Hello, friends. Today, I will share an excellent homemade remedy for cough. This recipe comes from generation to generation. If you're struggling to get rid of a cough and runny nose, give this remedy a try. Take half an onion and chop it up. Add 200 milliliters of water. Bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat. Let it simmer for 15 minutes. Remove the broth from the stove and let it cool to room temperature. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon. Strain the drink to remove any solids. Add the lemon juice to the mixture. Add 1 tablespoon of natural honey. Thoroughly mix everything together. Take 3 to 4 tablespoons of the remedy 4 times a day. Give it a try and see for yourself of the result. Take care of your health. Thank you.